feeling it? No, ever. Like, you know my clothes? To me, you want to stay focused, huh? You want to stay organized. You want to do things when you want to do, huh? Really achieve your goals. You want to stay organized. Within a blink, the month is almost over, and I'm like, what have I achieved so far? Do you know what? I survived. At least I got the iPhone 17. I think things are beginning to look better. Like, but anyways, it's just a phone. Between trying to keep my life together abroad, learning lessons, and figuring out adulting, October really had me in my reflecting era, but with a little bit of chaos in it. It's like every time I said, okay, this week I'm gonna be productive, life said, nah, not today. Between me trying to stay fit, eating more healthy, October said, nah, it's all joke. Like me not buying this new iPhone, thinking to organize my life, baby girl, it's just chaotic. But honestly, I think that is where the growth started. Just learning to laugh at the mess instead of fighting it. October taught me patience. Not the cute Pinterest kind, like real patience. The kind where nothing is going how you planned, but you keep showing up anyway. I realized I was too focused on controlling everything instead of just doing my part and letting life unfold. Sometimes your pause season isn't punishment, it's protection. I have learned that growth doesn't always look like glow up or achievement. Sometimes it is just not giving up on yourself after a messy week. And shout out to this new iPhone because the camera is so real. Lately, I've been learning to find joy in small things. If it's taking myself shopping, if it's buying myself the new phone, because when life feels heavy, those things reminds me I'm moving forward. So yeah, October checked me. It didn't break me. November, are you ready for a small, soft, beautiful, little drama? So yeah, get ready in November. It's that time of the year. Yo, it's winter. It's snowing outside. This is my first one, and I'm showing you guys. It's that time of the year where I wear 2 outfits, 2 socks, 2 everything. So let's get dressed together. This one, so, oh bro, I got to. I'm gonna do some jacket. Just check. Ooh. Pretty. You guys are sorry. Berry. Snowy. Oh my goodness. Are you not feeling it? Oh, it's my first snow ever. Like, I don't even know how to act. Oh, it's freezing though. It's really bad. Thanks to my videographer. Can you see it? Bro, it's cold. It's cold. Ooh, guys. It's freezing. Like, oh. Oh. You see that on my clothes? Oh, it's freezing. I should have wear gloves though, but like, oh, hello. See? Oh, man. It's really cold. Hope I'm the record. Hello. I'm going to the toilet first. Oh man. Oh, it's cold out there. I just need to the toilet to show you guys. Ooh, I'm always here. It's cold, you guys. It's really warm in here, like, I'm putting it there for just a drama content right here. Because it says, excuse me, I'm sorry. Wait, let's just continue here because we can see the snow. What do you think? I think this is a pretty idea. There's the snow out there. Oh, I love it. always carrying bag. So, because I'm going to use the bus later. So, whatever. I'm not sitting here for long. I just want to like. Even we have book to read. I have book to read. As I said, I should content aside. So let's look that together.